Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to the Banjara waterfall here in Kasol, still in the Himachal Pradesh. And right here is a hydro plant by which this small stream goes up, which leads to the Banjara waterfall about 5 to 10 minutes from here. I should have started recording when I left home. I'm already here at the bottom of the mountain that the waterfall is at, but it was around 30 to 40 minutes walk from the hostel that I'm staying in Kasol. And it was a nice walk by the river. Had to cross a bridge to get to this side, the highway side of the road. And then from there it was just like 5 minutes in towards the mountain to be able to get to this place. Ow. Okay, so there's these which one did I hit? Damn, that hurts. Okay, I'll just show you guys. So there's these plants in India, and it has these thorn like pokey things, and then once it touches your skin it stings, but it goes, the more you scratch it the worse it gets, but if you just leave it for a couple of minutes it gets better and then eventually goes away. These ones here, there's plenty of these. I accidentally hit my hand while I was walking up. Anyways, I will be going up, and the guy at the bottom said there's two roads, so I think this is the one he meant. He said there's one going up straight, and then there's one going left, and that I should take the one going left. That was helpful. Shout out my guy. All right, here we go. There's another right and left. I don't know. I think I'll just stick by the river, the stream. The river down is really dirty, but this one is nice and clear. Cool stuff, right? You know what? Actually, let me just check my Google Maps to see where I am. Oh, don't tell me this is it though. Don't tell me this is it. Like, come on, man. Well, it shows that it's a little further. So let's see. Hopefully it's not this. Either way, man, it's a hot day and I bought my change. Kind of. I'm getting in, man. I've missed a couple of waterfalls previously, but this one I'm definitely getting in this one. I don't care if it's just like that. Maybe this is it, man. I don't know. Actually, let's just go a bit further up. Oh no. Okay. It's a little better, but actually it's alright. Yeah, so we're here, and this is it. Oh, seriously? Mosquito just went right into my eye up from all the places. Yeah, but this is it. This is a little better. There's a little shop over here. There's a couple of people. But yeah, it's way better than this one right here. And I'm definitely getting it. the shop is closed apparently, but it's such a isolated place, like someone can just break in. This is the bottom one. Look at that water, man. Look how clear that is. And that's the one on top. That I will be going to. It's a little tricky of a climb. Real adventurous though. There's a puppy and some dudes. This is it. People are definitely getting high up here, man. Smoking that weed. I'm gonna check how deep it is on like this side of the waterfall. It looks a little deeper, and if it is, I'll be jumping from here for sure, bro. I'm just gonna go up a little further, see if there's anything else. I'm not gonna go too far. I haven't been feeling really well this week. I was actually supposed to leave Kasol 2 days ago, but I really wanted to come to the waterfall, at least one here in Kasol. So I decided to stay 2 more nights. Yesterday I pretty much just rested and stayed at home. But yeah, today I'm gonna have some fun, man. Some fun before I leave tomorrow. Alright. Water pipe. Climb up. Actually, is there a road that goes beside? It's fine. I'll just use this. It's gonna be a little bumpy. Halfway. That was fun. Until the pipe broke. Then I would have got straight down backwards. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not at my 100% physically. Alright. Here we go. That was fun. Pull these pants up. Cause them pants are tight, bro. I gotta reach for this branch. Alright, here we go. Alright. I think this thing goes further up. There's another waterfall way up, but yeah, I'm not going to that. I'm just gonna check this place around and just go back down. Have a good time down by that waterfall. This is the view from up here. There's a nice camping spot up here, and actually just a little further up the rocks have caught my attention, So I've changed my mind. Take back the fact that I said I wasn't gonna go further up, because I'm actually gonna go further up. I'll show you in a minute why. Check that out, man. You see that? See the rocks? 1 minute. Alright, you ready for it? It's nice and cool up here. Check that out. Amazing, isn't it? Let's see the waterfall. Oh, wow. Actually, let's go this way. Wow, this place is beautiful, man. Check these out. Holy smokes. This place is absolutely amazing. Wow. Wow. This is literally like taking an ice bath, man. The water is so cold. That was absolutely mind-blowing. Out of this world, man. That was a good experience. I'm gonna get changed, then I'll head back down. Woo! I'm here by the highway, and this is one of the things that I loved about this waterfall is you don't have to hike like a million miles into the mountain to find it. It's literally just like 10-15 minutes from the highway, and if you do a little bit of rock climbing, it's really easy to get up and get down, and it's a super beautiful, it's a beautiful waterfall, one of the most beautiful ones that I've seen in my life, and I would absolutely recommend anyone and everyone to come visit it. You can see how dirty it is compared to the waterfall, and the waterfall that I initially went to was the Banjara waterfall. That's the one at the bottom, but I ended up going to the Jainala hidden waterfall, and it turned out to be absolutely amazing and a good experience. I wasn't really feeling that well this week, but nature has its way of healing, and that's one of the reasons, one of the many reasons I love nature and just being in nature. And I would recommend anyone and everyone feeling down, if you're having a bad day or anything, just go out and do something and you'll feel better, trust me. I'll just wait for the bus here at the highway, head back home. But till the next time, if you guys enjoyed, then please drop a like and subscribe and follow. Take care, be safe. Till the next time.